Lainey, do you want to do a cowboy yell? Huh? Okay, let's do a cowboy yell. Get up on the couch. Get up on the couch. Oh, you're bowing for the Cowboys. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Go, Cowboys. Go, Cowboys. Okay, get up on the couch. Get on the couch. Get up there. Yay. Now, good girl. Can you say Cowboys? Cowboys are amazing. We love the Cowboys. Yeah, good girl. Oh, you're so precious. You just, okay. That all you're going to do? Okay, well, we're going to show them our Christmas tree. Show everybody our tree. Yeah, we kind of got a little empty on the top, but we're going to fill that in with some others that I've got to hang on the tree. Okay. Are you through being a cowgirl? Huh? Are you through? Go Cowgirls. Go Cowgirls. Okay, well, I'm through with you too. There.